first of all, having a shift in their own mindset about what it means to be close to the customer. And then what we'll be able to go over are what are those core principles about buyer persona development and buyer insight research that they can begin to use from day one. And we'll cover things like, what does it mean to have a goal-directed behavior? How do you identify that in a customer? What does it mean to find the context by which customers engage and interact with you? How do we look at things like discovering how customers think and what's the impact on their decision making because they think that way? So those are the things that we'll cover. And it'll give them those kind of practical knowledge and tools to begin from day one on how they can help themselves, help their clients, help their company.
Great stuff. That sounds promising.